How to find your phone number on a Samsung Galaxy. In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to locate your phone number directly from your Galaxy phone or tablet settings. Whether you're setting up your device for the first time or simply need a quick reminder, follow along to discover how to find your number in no time. Look for the settings gear icon in your list of apps and tap it to open. Alternatively, you can also access settings quickly by swiping down from the top of your screen to open the notification shade and tapping the gear icon located in the upper right corner. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down to find the About Phone or About Device option. The wording may vary slightly depending on your device model and software version. If your settings menu is organized with headings at the top, you might need to tap on the More tab to find this option. Your phone number should be displayed at the top of the screen next to Phone Number or My Phone Number. Just take a glance, and there it is. If, for some reason, your number is listed as unknown or it's incorrect, don't worry. There's a section called Fixing a Missing Phone Number that can help you resolve this issue. Additionally, a backup option to find your number is through your contacts. Sometimes your own number is stored and easily accessible there. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one.